Y'all? So we done got the stuff for it already. So we got the wrap, cause I'm pretty much thinking about just going ahead and wrapping the whole entire car. I don't know yet, y'all, but I might just wrap half of it, cause the car shoot flames. I don't want none of this to catch on fire and all of that. And I still got this Halloween stuff up here and junk, man. I need to take all of this stuff out, man. Like, look at his body, man. So right now, y'all, trying to get this bad boy situated. We still got all of this and junk. We still got the freaking junkie, man. Gotta get that junk off. So right now, that junk look crazy as freak, y'all. Who the was that? It looked like a scrunches. So right now, y'all, we just picked up the stuff to wrap the car with, and I feel like I'm pretty much gonna need some tape. Where can I get tape from, y'all? Y'all think I can get it from Party City, or I'm thinking about putting the I'm probably gonna go to Party City if I can get some reindeers for DJ, cause he's talking about he's trying to do the reindeers ears and junk. So we finna do that. And what else, man? Cause we gotta do a whole bunch of stuff just to knock out this Christmas thing to make it perfect. It's possible. So we finna go right now. So we finna turn this way, cause we still got Halloween stuff, y'all. Like, that Halloween stuff is not it, twin. So we finna go to Party City. And stuff. Let's go to Party City. Let's get some tape. Oh, look at my twin. Did I be parking beside like the same as that car, y'all? I don't want them thinking like, oh yeah, his ass just trying to park right beside the same as that car. I don't want her looking at me like what the fuck, twin? So right now, y'all, we heading into Party City. Shit, I have looking like, what the fuck? So right now, y'all, we finna be geek. This bitch about to be fire. So we finna got, trying to get me copyrighted. So right now, y'all, we got the big Z, y'all. See that big, y'all? So right now, y'all, we finna go to Party City, man. Finna get all of this stuff right. Bro, it's hot, y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all, bro. It's extremely hot out here, man. Which I think how we feel, man. So get ready to go to Party City. Finna get some tape. My ass almost tripped, y'all. Go right here. Use some tape. So right now, y'all. So we finna get. I think we finna go with like some tape. I don't know yet. Y'all might be probably about ashes. So right now, damn. Let's look for some of this tape. Tape. That's something we can find tape. Good thing I already got a Santa Claus outfit already. What should we do? I think we should put this on the side. Take this thing off. I think we should put this on the back, y'all. What y'all think? How much this shit is? This shit's freaking. I think we're finna go with this. For some tape. What else we should get? We should just go with gingerbread, man. I don't know if I can taint that. So we got the actual reindeer ears. Hold on, y'all. I'll get back with y'all. Let me call, what's her name? Right now, we got stuff for the car. I don't even know if I know where all my stuff is, y'all. So I done got that knocked out the way. It's a slow Hellcat, man. We just chilling right now. So I'm basically about to show y'all how to actually do it, y'all. It's like some junk that y'all pretty much been thinking about. Like the Z, man. I don't know if I can even see it, bro. That tent just go crazy with it. Since we done did Halloween, y'all, we finna do Christmas. And we gotta go turn. We gotta do shit, y'all. I got all of this up in the car, man. We got tape. All of that. Whew. So right now, y'all, I don't know what I'm finna do. I probably finna go get some food. And then, I don't know yet. But I'll get back with y'all though, no cap. What up, YouTube? So we made it back to the spot, and right now, y'all, we trying to get this off. So I got some pliers, man. I'm just trying to, so we just trying to get this off. Since it's not Halloween no more, y'all, we just gonna take the pumpkin off, man. Go like this. Hold on. Y'all, I'm struggling, hold on. So we're gonna go like that. I think it should be able to snap. Damn, bro. Johnny. There we are. I'm messing up the actual pumpkin, y'all. Hold on. There you go, y'all. We got this shit off. And we finally taking the pumpkin off the car, y'all. Gonna put them like that, man. And yes, y'all, he putting up the middle finger, man. No cap. So right now, y'all. So right now, man, I'm thinking about wrapping. I don't know about wrapping this, cause this shit get too hot. I don't know how that's gonna go. But I'm gonna wrap this. Wrap the hood. I don't know about the doors yet, y'all. I don't know about the doors. I'm definitely gonna wrap the ceiling. Definitely gonna wrap this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. But I feel like it would be fine if I do the doors in John too. Yeah, this the Z, y'all. So we definitely about to get this a crazy thumbnail too. So let me go ahead and put this back in the trunk. Oh yeah, if y'all want y'all wrap done, go to Dreams, man. No cap. Alright, y'all, so right now I got this thing zip tied, bruh. Y'all mess with it, man. I don't know yet. Cause I feel like when I actually hit this, it's just gonna, like if I'm driving, it's just gonna do this. Fly all the way to the back. So I'm trying to figure out how can I actually make this stand up. But like he got some sled. Okay. But I'll get back with y'all when I figure out how to make this thing kind of stand. These things zip ties. But I'll figure this out, y'all. No cap.
Need to go edit, nigga. Download Premiere Pro, nigga.
You said download the corn. Y'all download corn. Y'all download corn on y'all phone. Right now, y'all, we doing the hood. How we finna do this? So got this. I gotta mess with that, man. got that. So right now, y'all, we doing the hood now, right? For now, just in case if it don't rain, y'all. You already know. Brother. So right now, y'all, we getting the hood wrap. This not about to be crazy, man. Y'all see that ugly man right there, man?
Hey, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm thinking about food right now.
Yeah, we trying to get this bit right, man. Right now, y'all, just the engine, man. I need to clean it. So this is gonna be part one, y'all. If y'all wanna know this is gonna be part one of actually getting everything ready for it and stuff. Part one. What up, YouTube? And look what done happened, y'all. I'm on the highway and the whole wrap came off. So we up here, we tested something out, y'all. We in the testing stage. So right now, the whole wrap gone. Half of the whole wrap, man. Bro, this is so freaking crazy, y'all. Stuff that y'all don't see the people when they wrap the car with Christmas. Right now, y'all, I think I was going like 100, about 100. And look what 100 did, bro. Oh my Lord, man. So right now, y'all, you gotta peel it. I think this is part one, y'all, of actually testing this out. Right now, y'all. And it seemed like that did not work, so if y'all put tape on y'all car, man, and it go like that, man, just know you didn't do it the right way, man. So we peeling this bad boy off, y'all. Shit. This what happens when you drive over 100 on the highway, y'all. This what happened. I got it. Oh shit. I gotta throw this shit away. So look, y'all. Damn, we back to the damn drawing board, man. Shit. So right now, y'all, we got this. We got the old Betsy, y'all. We got Sandy.
Right in front of that shit and fucked it up.
We got Sandy Spring Police. I guess they don't like that, y'all. With old Betsy, man.
That shit don't work no more. You ain't buying it.
Yeah, dude.
You ain't buying it.
It be working for me.
Yeah, he said,
Bitch.
how? It's
know.
not even wired up.
He said he's just looking out for us. Okay.
He said what now?
He said he's just looking out for us. He said don't be the burnouts and junk. I asked for permission for y'all to rest. So I don't understand.
Right over here. They rush. They
Finna do a burnout in Sandy
That's what I'm saying. Like, y'all act like
I mean, I'll do it.
y'all not GSP. Like, y'all don't be
Hold up, man. Hey, man.
Kirkland, young nigga. Right here. CL1 driving.
How you feeling, man?
Chilling, man.
Feeling good, man?
Yeah, I'm hungry, bro.
I just had.
Nigga, you just ate.
Niggas go in. I need to be down there with them.
I feel more comfortable.
Go over there then.
Some foreign shit down
Go over there then, bro.
Look at the headlights. I just didn't want them type of headlights.
Yeah, your shit look a little.
Like mine go like that.
Nah, your shit.
Better.
Gotta get some fast shit, man.
What's that foreign shit down there?
Do what?
Everybody headlights,
Oh. So right now, y'all, we outside, man. Y'all see the perfect lineup, man. These guys go crazy, man. We got the sketch right here, man. Look at that, man.
All I wanted was 500.
That go crazy, man.
I've been had that idea.
Let's see the little lights and junk, y'all. I like this bad boy.
Go get a cul-de-sac? I'm being dead for my life, nigga. I'm being dead for the rest of my life.
YNs get good credit. They go get Dracos, Scat Pats, cats and shit. He finna go get a crib now.
You gotta do what you gotta do, man.
Worst thing is give a YN some good credit.
That's how you gotta do, man. Just get a little credit card, put a little gas in the car, buy chips, pay it back over time. Look.
Smart YN. Hey, he ain't one of them little, he ain't the ones that's on the corner giving. Hey, bro, big bro, you wanna
I don't want no water,
you want a water for a
No
dog?
Gatorade,
man. I be hoping I ain't saying that life for too
Hey,
long.
big bro.
Break your window.
Hey, big bro.
no, they get mad
Get the
and
water
shit.
and just give me 5, big bro.
Nah, they walk off and they come back with
Man, nigga, they walk up to me. You in a Hellcat? No, you got money.